G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from Lightning Ridge. It rules in millimetres. They're only small pieces, and the white is the reflection of the light because they've been wetted. Okay, these are good pieces to get started, practice. You can see this isn't convex shape already, so just grind that off and you should end up with a stripy sort of stone. This piece, what you can see there, runs back down that way, so you cut this lot of this boulder off and end up with a bigger stone perhaps. This, it might turn into colour, or it might just end up being not much at all, but these sort of deals, it's hard to price. I basically sometimes throw pieces in, which is like that piece I just showed you. That'll probably come off, end up with a little stone here. Same with this piece. Might be able to grind a bit more of this boulder off and end up with a bigger stone. Anyway, they're good to practice. Small pieces like this, it's not a lot of outlay. See if you like cutting the boulder, and if you do, then you can invest in some better material. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.